The View tab is the next tab. Like you have seen before, if we haven't selected a slide, then some of our options are unavailable for use and grayed out. The View tab is exactly what it says it to be. It allows you, the developer, to change what you are viewing and seeing on the screen. There are 5 sections to this tab. They are Views, Accessibility Checker, Grid and Guides, Zoom, and Publish. The View section will change the overall view of what we are seeing on the screen. You can switch between Story View and Slide View, and adjust both your master slides and the look of the feedback you give a learner following a quiz slide. The Accessibility Checker allows you to go through your entire lesson and ensure what you've created is both accessible and viewable for those with auditory and visual disabilities. Selecting this icon will open a pop-up window and show you what potential issues people with disabilities may have when taking your lesson. The Grid and Guides section has 2 functions. You will not be able to select the ruler, grid, and guides options in Story View, but if you had selected them in Slide View, they will show as checked in Story View. The Grid and Guides icon will open a pop-up window, allowing you to customize a visual grid that will appear on the slide. This grid is just for you, the developer, and the learner will not see the grid. Having your Grid and Guides enabled is especially useful when you are trying to align visual items on the slide and ensure you have adequate separation between objects. One of the wonderful features of Storyline is the ability to undock the various windows surrounding the slide you are working on. Undocking unlocks the windows from their default locations. This allows you to move them somewhere else on the screen or to a second monitor. This allows you to easier see what you are working on and how everything aligns on the slide, without zooming into a specific section of the slide. The Fit to Window icon in the Zoom section looks at the space you have available and automatically maximizes the slide size to fit in that space. This can be especially helpful after you've undocked some or all of your windows, or if you've zoomed into a specific item on the slide and are ready to return to a full slide view. As we have said previously, the last section on the View tab will be the Publish tab.